Okay, we're getting ready to do the rocker boxes, so we got our tools kind of out. Now we're looking for all the hardware. What are you doing? Where's the hardware? No, that's not hardware.
Inside there? The bolts aren't in there?
Why would they be inside there?
I think that's how the guy gave them to me.
Without the bolts that came out of the motor.
Not in there.
Well, no shit. There's no bolts inside the rocker box?
This is all we want.
You mean the rocker box and they have a bunch of bolts hanging out the bottom?
Yeah.
What a shocker. So, can we get the bolts now?
I believe these are the ones here, aren't they?
I don't know where they're at. There's a whole stack of them. Okay, so we're going to use these boxes.
Yeah.
These open
If they'll work.
I don't know. These are late model boxes. These aren't made for Harleys. These aren't going to work. These are for 04 and up.
No breather in them?
See the height of these things right here? How are you going to put that? I don't think it'll fit in the bike. See the height of them? These are two-piece boxes. You have three-piece.
I suppose they work. They won't use them.
They work if the motor's out of the frame.
You can't put it in there, huh?
Why don't you use damn Evo Sportster instead of stupid rubber mount crap?
Because they probably know what I was after.
It's not a three-piece box. There's a reason why there's three-piece boxes.
So you can put them back together, huh? Okay.
So,
Where's the other one? In my house?
plus these are completely different gaskets than what I have because
Well, I got the other gaskets set.
we were going to have what we needed.
This other one is they got gaskets for it somewhere.
Now, with the motor down like this, we
These
might be able to get this all in here.
These are the gaskets.
We might be able to get this all in here.
Or not.
What seems to be the problem here?
It's too tall.
Oh, you mean because it's a two-piece box?
I need three skinny pieces. This box won't make line up for sure anyway. Alright, pull them out. I'll get the other ones. Never mind.
I can put the front one in.
That's right. Can't just have one.
Sure you can.
That thing needs a quarter of an inch more.
There you go, that fits. When you had Sportster rocker box, I thought you had real bike parts, not this modern crap.
That's looks good on there, but
They don't look good because it doesn't fit.
this one does. Looks good. Anyways,
And remember, we haven't even no bolts in there yet.
yeah.
You can't get the lid in there without no hardware. You gotta get hardware in there yet, which is even harder.
Okay, well, the other rockers at
So,
home.
if we completely disassemble this motor mount, we can probably make it work. But I don't know if these are taller than what you have. Where's the originals?
At my house,
So you didn't bring the original boxes with you?
of course.
Great. Why do you keep taking stuff home we need?
I don't think I ever put them.
Yeah, and this has a breather in here that we don't use also.
Yep. Damn it. Well, if they're gonna be a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna put them on there.
Well, they don't fit.
Yeah, so,
I mean, you can't use them.
yeah, I gotta put them on
We have to drop the motor down enough that we can get the box in there. So it has to go down another quarter, which means you have to completely take this motor mount apart, completely take it out of the bike.
there. And we put the other ones back on.
Drop the motor all the way down to the frame, then you can probably get the box in there. But I don't know if this box is tall. This box is a pretty damn tall box. I think it's taller than a stock box. The height of this box looks pretty damn tall from here to here. Oop, where you at? From here to here. And that would be a problem. So without having the other box, we have no idea if that's going to work or not. We have to drop the motor completely down, get the box in there, and then put the box back up to see if it's going to hit. And that's going to be a big, big problem.
Go look at my trunk, make sure they're not in the trunk.
Yeah, go check in the trunk. So in the meantime, we got the push rods and push rod covers. Where's the push rod covers?
Right there in that dog food box.
Dog food box. Would that be the healthy, meaty, healthy stuff? Ooh, push rod covers. Oh, junk in there. We need this. And of course, all the springies and stuff that we need are missing too. Why did he disassemble every little part and not put it back together again? Why do you tell me to take this stuff all apart and not put it back together again?
Yeah, has the washers and stuff for it.
That's how you lose lots of parts. Okay, we need push rods. They're over there. You gotta take them out of the package. Are those the ones we're gonna use?
I hope so.
Okay. Are they all the same length?
Yep.
Good. Okay, here's some parts right over
These
here.
came from Tatro machine.
So they might not fit either. Are they dirty?
They're a little sticky.
They're sticky?
Yeah.
They appear to be all the same length.
Do you want me to go get the router boxes?
Here, blow these off. Okay, we're back. Alright, we're going to find the new O-rings, which are over here. Drop our camera down to a level that we're working today. Up here I'm on the floor today. Okay, here's exhaust gasket he doesn't like. Okay, here's our O-rings. So we got a bunch of O-rings here we're not using. These ones go on the heads. These go on the push rod cover, these little small ones. These ones we're not using.
I think I got some clips in here for this too.
I already got all my parts out.
We do?
Yep. Gaskets. Yeah, where's our covers at? These are all our parts, pieces. You remember how they go together? Barely. Another good reason not to take them apart. There's no reason just to come in and clean them. Yep, absolutely no reason.
The chrome ones goes in the aluminum one.
So we have a chrome cover first. We have a spring, number 2. We have a washer, number 3.
And then the
And
chrome.
we have an O-ring. Now, if you clean it like that, and blow it off, why would you ever have to take it apart?
Don't have to.
Absolutely no reason to take it apart and lose all those parts. Because you know what happens? Everybody loses all these parts. Because they don't understand that this washer belongs somewhere.
I thought they'd come with new ones in the kit, but not.
You don't get hard parts in kits, you get O-rings. The O-rings are the only thing that gets changed. Now you want to make sure all the covers are good and slip and slide like they're supposed to. Make sure it goes compressible up in there. That way you know that this stuff's not too big or bound up, which does happen. So that's a good unit now. You do the next one. Same thing. Boom, boom, boom. If they didn't know any better, I thought you were a tweaker. They take everything apart too. Boom. That works.
Just trying to get them all clean.
Okay, are the push rods good?
They're clean.
Are they all 4 the same length like they look like they
They
were?
are the same length.
That means you can't mix them up.
You want one? You can't mix them up?
If they're all 4 the same, how do you mix them up?
It'd be easy to mix them up. Oh, you can't mix them, yeah. Right.
If there's 2 shorts and 2 longs, you can mix them up. Okay, another cover right here. Now if you put a little bit of oil on these, they slide a little better. You put them up there, that's good too. That only had a little bit of twist and didn't want it to collapse. So moved until it would go up and down.
I want them. They're good and clean
Yeah, but they're dry too. I'll leave the clips over there so I don't lose them.
now. Alright.
Because they won't be going in for a long time. Okay, these here go up inside the head. Make sure you don't forget to put them up in there because it will be a massive push rod leak if you don't put them up in there.
Big
Also
fat
make,
one,
sure you don't double stack them. It's a bad angle to do it. There you go.
No lube on?
Nope. Oh.
Don't double stack it.
No, don't double stack. Make sure you push them all the way up. I use my finger to push them up in there with my edge of my nail. Make sure they're completely up in there flat. They're supposed to be up in there. So just make sure you go up in here and just push them with your finger all the way around. Make sure they're completely up in there. So he's doing his over here. Where yours at? There's yours.
I think they're in.
Oh, they in all the way? Feel good?
Yep.
Okay, good. Then they're good. We already got the lower ones in already.
Yep.
Put them in a long time ago with the washer under them. Remember the washer?
Yeah.
That one. You know how many times I do these and there's no washers in there?
You take them apart like that?
Usually about 15% of the time there's no washers.
You know, I wonder why they're leaking. Or they don't leak.
They actually
They will seal.
kind of seal, but the rubber will drop in eventually.
Oh.
So it's not the way to do it,
So it's
obviously.
there to keep it.
It's there for a reason. It is definitely there for a reason. Okay, so where's your push rods? Okay, so make sure these are all the same length. So you go like that on table. And if they're all the same height right there, they are all the same length. So these are fully adjustable. I'm not going to take them all apart to make them that way. All you got to do is drop these down the hole like this with the cover in there to the floor. Works good. See how it works with one hand? Like that. And they're in there. That's how you do it with a rocker box. Because you slide the box over and you slip them right down through the box. Then you can use those long ones, like I like. I don't
Long push rods?
I don't like these things.
How about you sell them to me?
You sell whatever you want. If you want them, I sell them to you. You don't want them, I don't sell them to you.
They make long ones, huh?
You didn't ask me which one is. I told you what I had.
This is a long
I'm sure. And I'm sure I told you. I'm sure I told you I like the other ones better. But you want those ones that are easy adjustable. You can take it apart without doing a rocker box.
So what, the other ones are not adjustable?
But see, this one here, you got to take the rocker box. This one you got to take the box off. The other ones you do. But we have the boxes off, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so we can't do anything until we get rocker boxes. So we're gonna wait for those.
Tools, leave the tools where they are?
So we got all this stuff ready to go together. Where's that other gasket set I sold you? Okay,
These go in it?
this is for a Harley Davidson rocker box.
Sports.
Not for that Japanese looking Yamaha style box off these new bikes.
I thought they were for this.
So that's an 04 and later. No, this is for a Harley. See how it says 89 on it?
Yep.
You know what 89 means?
Year?
That's the year it came out.
But not for sports. Yeah, RPR Sport.
What's it say on it?
Sport. Well, what year are these?
It's inside the box. Didn't you look at it? I saw it as soon as I looked in there. And this I also saw it looked weird. Big print in there tells you what year it is.
2104. Top breathers and everything, huh?
That's good. Well, it's a breather style. We don't need breather because we don't have breathers,
Yeah.
but that doesn't matter. We just don't hook it up. This one we can use breather or non-breather rocker boxes, Sportster, or aftermarket custom ones for Evo. Those boxes are not for Evo. Those are for late model rubber mounted piles of crap.
It's not an Evo, huh?
I don't call those new bikes Evo. I don't know what the hell I call them. I call them rubber mounted piles of crap. I don't like them things. But anyway. So we're on hold now until we get rocker boxes. So we'll give a shot at this again tomorrow. That's it for now.